This is my second year growing dahlias from seeds, and I'm having a lot more success. I'm not exactly sure why, but I'm just so excited and I want to show you some of the new seedlings that I have. So one thing about growing dahlias from seeds is that there's likely going to be some of the dominant traits showing up. And those, I have a dog whining right now. Those traits are not very beautiful. So the single petal or like the open center, few petals, that's going to be kind of a dominant trait and it shows up a lot. But this year, I don't know what's been so lucky about it, but I'm having quite a few dahlias that are full of a lot of petals. Another thing that I've heard is a dominant trait is the color yellow. And I do have quite a few dahlias from seed. Excuse me. Dahlias grown from seed that are yellow this year. And yellow is not my favorite, but we'll see. I only grow dahlias that have a closed center, and that will improve the odds of saving seeds for more dahlias with a closed center, right? If you have the open center dahlias in your garden and they cross-pollinate, okay, if they cross-pollinate, then that increases the chances that you're going to have more dahlias with that open center, which is not my favorite look. Whenever I get a dahlia that is not a keeper, I am very sure to dig up all of its tubers underneath so that none of them will come back next year, and I compost them. Which might feel brutal to you, but I only want winners here. I'd love to hear your opinion. Which is your favorite so far? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Let me know in the comments below.